Peace be with you, my child, and with you, Lord. Walk with me, and I will give you rest.
This path is beautiful. It reflects the beauty within.
Peace be with you. Thank you, Lord. Behold the beauty of creation. It is magnificent.
Come, follow me. Lord, I am here. Peace be with you. Welcome home, my faithful servant. Lord, it is you. Come, enter my Father's house.
Thaum hlub siab heev Nyob la txhua qhov hnub hlub Nyob na Thaum qaug qhia ploi lawm muaj siab siab taug Nyob txhua ntshai